What's going on, everybody? Zach from 88 Customs. I want to show you a finished product here. Audi A7, full body, done in a custom blue Autoflex liquid wrap. Trying to pick up the flake that we put in there. There we go. So the whole car is done in the Autoflex liquid wrap. It's a 12 mil thickness, protects your paint. Do any color you can possibly think of. We can do custom colors, different shades. We can do OEM colors. Really great. Looks like paint, feels like paint. You can wax and buff it, normal maintenance, so no special care, no seams or edges. You don't have to worry about a corner peeling up like you would with some other products out there. On this particular vehicle, besides the full car being wrapped, we did the wheels, we painted those. We did those a custom gray gunmetal metallic. Those are traditional automotive paint, so it's high gloss. Lasts a long time. Easy to clean with the road salts or brake dust. Very similar to anything that a factory would do. With these, we did the custom center caps to match the body of the vehicle. Just a little touch. Little accent piece. We also did the calipers in gloss red. The calipers were just corroded, looked pretty rough. Since we had the wheels already off, doing the calipers was a no-brainer. It really pops, makes the car look a lot sportier. On the front here, this grille is normally off gray with some black and then chrome around the outside, and then those cross members were also chrome. So we did it all gloss black paint, and then the center badge there, we installed that lights up, which you can see in the pictures. Inside it's a little bit harder to see right now in the daylight, and I actually left the key inside, but that's really cool. A little aftermarket touch. So basically the entire exterior of this vehicle we customized. Customer will be here in a few minutes to pick it up. We already sent him photos. He's ecstatic. This is great. So if you want to change the color of your car, let us know. Paint, wraps, gloss, matte. If you want your wheels, grille, aftermarket lighting, chrome deletes. We didn't do the chrome on this one. He wanted that chrome around the window, but we could black that out as well. Yeah, right there you see that flake. Really changes the color. It's almost like a light blue, dark blue mix, and then that metallic flake. Holographic, I should say, in there. Just really, in person, I mean, it is crazy. Anyway, visit us on Facebook, Instagram, website 88customs.com. If you have any questions, shoot us a message.